going to make glowing pendulum. This is the instruction book and this is how it's going to look like. We have got new project from Tinker. Let me see what I have in the instruction book. This is glowing bird. Let me see what I have next. Strategy dots. The next one, these all are pendulum arms and this is brakes. 3 packs. Next is bolts. Since we are gonna have to make glowing pendulum, we need LED holder. This is base bearing, this is arm bearing. This is spring bearing. This is washi tape. This is harness pieces. Unfold. Let me put the sticker on to flap A and flap B. And then flap A and flap B. We are gonna put it on like this and put the B side and another stop B side. And then I'm going to take it properly. We have completed 4 steps. Now we are going to do the 5th step. Next we are going to do step B, which is assembling the LED arm. So totally we have 6 steps. We are taking LED holder and battery pack and putting them together. We are making the wire go this way. I'm taking one LED lamp and I'm going to put it on the smallest hole level. Then I'm going to put this away from each other. We are taking pendulum arm and putting it on like this. I'm taking this bolt and I'm putting it on and I'm screwing it on this hole. And then I'm tightening these 2 legs each other. There are 2 LED lengths. One of them is long, one of them is short. And connecting the red one to this. So far we have built a glowing board, assembled the LED arm. It's it. We are putting the LED arm upside down and then we are connecting this part like this. Now I'm doing step 3. I'm fixing the base bearing onto the hole and then screwing it with bolt. I'm going to do step 5. Putting the LED arm over here and then screwing it with a bolt. I'm gonna keep the heavy item here, then test the pendulum. I place the heavy item and let me show you how the pendulum is working. Check out those patterns. Like this video, give a like and subscribe to this channel.